Hi, me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show, the other day I was making a video and I was using the color eyedropper tool and I actually realized something. These are two different shapes, a six-sided star and an ellipse. You can make those shapes fill in because what is happening, the Smart Fill tool actually creates a new object. You can't do that with the color eyedropper tool. You can take a sample of that color, but if you try to put it in there, it fills in the whole star because the star is the object. So the idea behind the color eyedropper tool would be like this right here. We have different colors and we make this a different color. I'm going to hold down the control button and add a little white and add a little green, make it a different color. Now the color eyedropper tool, because these other blue parts are an object, I can take a sample of that and fill in those spots with the color eyedropper tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.